Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Spotify mobile app and moving straight to Settings. This is where permissions live. Once there, locate the Social or Connect area and flip on Contacts Sync so Spotify can scan who in your address book uses the service. Allow the app to access your phone contacts when prompted. This is necessary for matching. After enabling, give the app a moment to index contacts and make sure you're signed in to the account you want friends matched with. Once contacts are synced, go to your profile or home and choose Find Friends or the Contacts tab. This surfaces matches from your phone. Scroll the list and tap Follow beside anyone you want to add. Following reveals their public listening activity and playlists. Make sure to open a suggested profile to confirm it's the right person, then hit follow there as well. If you want more connection, use the share button to send your profile link via text or messenger. Finish by checking your following list and the friend activity feed to confirm new connections show up. That proves sync worked. If you don't see matches, update the Spotify app, toggle contacts sync off and on, then restart the app or phone. This often forces a refresh. Also verify the people you expect are saved in your phone contacts and actually use Spotify. If problems persist, revoke and regrant contact permission in your phone settings so Spotify can reindex the list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.